What's up, guys? These days, adding LCD or OLED screen to devices is the new norm. This is the new fashion. So these are earbuds that have a screen inside their case. So, like on top of the case, you have a screen. It's an LCD screen because these are cheaper options. If you buy the original JBL 2 Pro 2, they have an OLED screen. So let's check it out. Let's see how the experience is improved by using the LCD screen. So let's open it up. These are true wireless earbuds made by MZ by JBL. So you can count them as replica. You have some extra ear tips. Then we have a USB Type A to Type C. Okay. At the bottom, we have some documentation. Let's leave it there. And this is the case with the earbuds. See, the screen is already on. Let me turn it on. See, it's also already giving the option to increase or decrease volume. Let's peel the paper off. There you go. See, isn't it cool? Instead of keeping the case boring, I think it looks good. It is giving me the current battery life of case of 51% and left and right earbuds at 100%. I think this is really useful because before that, unless you have a Apple AirPods or Pixel Buds or Galaxy Buds, there is no way to see this information unless you connect them with your mobile phone. So this is really good. Let's see what's the maximum volume. This is the maximum volume. We can decrease it. So you can decrease the volume of the earbuds right here. You don't need the mobile phone unlike you always used to, and you don't need to use the earbuds as well. This is the start where you have the play pause button. On the top you have this battery indicator, and on the left this one shows that it is not connected to Bluetooth. Then we have the volume, then we have noise reduction. Apparently these do have an A and C, at least from the screen. Let's see when we connect them with the Bluetooth, then we will know for sure. Then this is the EQ. Right now it is balance. What EQ settings other than balance do we have? What? This doesn't seem to work. What? Maybe I have to connect it with Bluetooth first, then it will work. Let's go next. This is an alarm. Let's leave it there. Then the brightness for the screen, let's increase the brightness to maximum. This is the maximum brightness. So if we go back to original settings like this one, this is the original brightness level. Okay. What else do we have? We can select language. Wallpaper, we can change the wallpaper. We have this. Oh, what is this underwear pairing guy doing? We have this one. This is a lively one. Then we have this ocean. This one. This one. This one. Let's keep this one. What is this? Timer. And find my headphones. I think they meant like earbud. So in case you want to find them, you can trigger the alarm right from the case. You don't need a mobile device. And light. Okay, it turns itself white to give you light. I think these settings are definitely helpful, like timer, maybe stopwatch. All these settings are kind of helpful, like finding the earbuds without using the phone. It is helpful. The battery life is helpful. Wallpaper, language, brightness, and EQ setting, and you can turn on and off noise reduction, active noise cancellation, all those things like volume. All these things are useful, I think. So let's bring it out. Some of these variants actually do have a dedicated app as well. I don't think this one does. So even if it had, I'm not going to use it because the main reason for me buying it was the screen, not the other features. You have the Type C here, and then the button for pairing. This is the indicator probably to give you charging indication. And overall, I think for the price, I bought them from AliExpress, I think, and they costed me around $17 maybe, I think so. So not that costly, but overall, if you look at its design, the case itself looks really good, and the build quality does not feel cheap at all, to be honest. And they have made sure that the JBL is taking the maximum space, and MZY, which gives you the real indication that this is not made by actual JBL. They have kept it small. And overall, this case is, I think, exactly similar to the original JBL Tour Pro. Then we have the earbuds right here. Okay, and these are also very similar to the one, or exactly similar to the one that JBL is making. And these are the earbuds. Okay. They have small LED indicator here as well. I'm not sure if it is in the other one, but it is here in case. I'm not sure if you guys can spot it. It is there. So this is the design. Let's let's connect it with a phone. All right. Let me go to the pairing, Bluetooth, pair a new device. Let me see battery. Brightness is full. Brightness is full. Okay. Which one of these is this? Probably V8. Let's connect the V8. And let's see if the screen shows us anything. Okay. The screen has the Bluetooth icon has turned active. That means that was the right call. We have the 90% battery life. Like what 90%? Is it left, right? I mean, it is giving you the earbuds life. Okay. Let's test it out. Uh, Let me find some audio and let's see how it sounds. Look for any song. Okay, these are the songs. They should be sufficient. All right, let's try it. Empty hearts and neon lights, playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. All right, so play and pause is working. See, previous next will work as well if you have a list, but this is simple song. So see, the volume control is also working. Okay, now we can see that the ANC on and off are also active. So these do have active noise cancellation, but in this price range, don't expect something. Let's see. Okay, the EQ settings have been enabled as well, but they don't seem okay. The I think music sounds good for the price, and let's try this one, like finding the left and right earbuds. Let's try this one. Okay, see, there is a bell, and let's try finding the right one. So you can trigger the bell right from the case. And light, finally. I think it's really good. I mean, I don't know the exact battery life, but if the battery life is good, then the sound is, I can tell you that sound is good enough for this price. And these features are definitely useful, like having a bland case just sitting there. I think this one is really useful, especially like, I mean, even the minor things like the battery life is the first useful thing. Is it connected with a mobile phone with the Bluetooth? That's the second thing. The volume controls, the play, pause, A and C on off, these kind of EQ settings, you can change them without using any app. Imagine that the app that you use to open on the mobile phone, it's right there on the case. So you don't need to install it. You don't need to worry about whether it is connected or not. It is here in case you need it. So if you are asking whether you have my recommendation or not, definitely you do have my recommendation. I really like them, and to be honest, I would mind recommending them to anyone. So if you're looking for something like this, I will leave the link to buy it from Amazon as well as AliExpress. So yeah, give it a try if you're interested. Take great care of yourself. Bye.